how do we approach reskilling through the Spotted Zebra solution? It's really simple. We start by defining the growth roles. What are those growth roles that we need to reskill for? And we create skills profiles for those roles. So that outlines the behavioral and technical skills needed for success. We then put in place our assessment solution that enables us to measure existing employees to see how well they align with those skills profiles. Now, from a reskilling point of view, there are going to be gaps. We're not going to find people who are an exact match, but part of the SZ skills profile also focuses in on potential. So helping the organisation to find people who have the ability to adapt, the ambition and the desire to grow. Finally, our solution provides managers with digital interview guides and tools they can use to evaluate whether those individuals can effectively reskill into those new roles. This is a huge benefit for the organisation, with thousands of pounds typically saved per reskill versus redundancy or hiring costs. But perhaps the best benefit of all is for the individual. Rather than needing to look for a new role in another organisation, their knowledge and their skills are retained, they have greater commitment and engagement with the organisation, and their journey with that company continues in a new role that challenges them and keeps them motivated and engaged to stay with the organisation into the future. So it's a real win-win for both organisations and their employees.